Hi there, students. Diametrically, an adverb, and diametric. Okay, I think this is one of the few cases where the adverb is actually more common than the adjective. Let's see. Diametric, it talks about the diameter of a circle, and that's the basic meaning. But if we say that two things are diametrically opposite, then they are complete opposites. So we're using this word diametric to say completely, directly, absolutely, utterly. So what you will find with this is the number one collocation with this is diametrically opposed. So these two things are diametrically opposed to each other. Yeah, they're on opposite sides. Yeah, they are diametric opposites. Okay, so they're completely opposite. The two people have diametrically opposed opinions. Yeah, their opinions are diametrically opposed. They're completely opposite opinions. They're absolutely different. Yeah, if you think about a circle, they are on opposite sides of the circle. You have to go across the whole circle to get there. So these are things that are two different ends. Now, I was looking and thinking about examples for this, and almost all of the examples in internet say diametrically opposed, the diametric opposite. But think about this. Their opinions are diametrically opposed. Yeah, they have diametric opinions, and all you need to say is that. So if you think about diametrically opposed something, then their standpoints are in diametric opposition to each other. They have diametric standpoints. Okay, so completely opposite, completely different. Okay, there is a diametric contradiction in what he said. The two things he said are completely different. The two people are talking about diametrically different issues. So notice, diametrically different, there's another one for you. But these are diametric issues. They're completely opposite to each other. Okay, so use it like that. The conclusions that they came to were diametrically opposed to ours. We had diametric positions, yeah? Well, diametric, they're on other sides. They wanted to resolve this in diametrically opposing ways. Diametrically opposing. Okay, so diametrically opposing, but diametrically opposing what? And then just use diametric and the noun. Okay, so we're using this word diametric to mean completely, absolutely, in absolute opposition to. So they believe diametric things, completely opposite things. Yeah? The diametric converse is true. These two things are diametrically inverse ideas. Yeah? Okay, so they are completely different to each other. These two things, or these two attitudes, are diametrically distinct. They diverge diametrically. Yeah, they are diametrically divergent. Okay, so complete opposite. let's see. What about formality? Um, Diametric opposites, diametric. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in the formality. Don't use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Um, and then as to origin, well, this comes from diameter. Yeah, the diameter of something. Um, so I think is the idea of day and night, or they are opposite, and I think that's the idea of where this comes from. So yeah, they are diametrically opposed, diametrically different, diametrically opposing elements. Yeah, completely opposite, um, completely different. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Diametrically, diametric.